Hey, what's up? It's Brian and Reese of Kid and Dad Motovlog. Welcome back, and of course, welcome din sa mga bago sa aming channel. And so, today is a very lazy day and wala kang magawa sa bahay ni Kid. And so, we decided to go out and hang out sa KM48 or Kilometer 48. And we have a couple of reasons to do so. Number one is napakainit po ng panahon and ayaw naman naming buksan yung air conditioning ng buong maghapon kasi bukas na rin siya ng buong magdamag. And so, number one reason is libre yung air conditioning dito sa KM48 as long as syempre bibili kayo ng coffee nila or ng iba pa nilang products. And number two, I think this is the best time, perfect timing for me to test out our newly acquired Sony ZV-1 Mark II. And so we actually have used this camera already, however, not to the extent na we were able to use all of the specs, I mean all of the features like yung cinematic mode, yung kanyang slow-mo, yung kanyang time-lapse. So, yan, we head out to KM48 para i-test out yung mga functions and mga features. And first things first, with regards dun sa quality ng video, yan, napaka-solid no, ng video quality niya. Yan, actually, makikita nyo naman, it's for you to decide. Napakalino niya, napaka-crisp. And, well, basically wala akong masabi sa kanya pagdating sa kanyang video quality. And we were recording with the 4K 24 FPS mode yan sa video na yan. So very solid yung kanyang 4K video. Now with regards to the audio naman, unfortunately we were not able to include the audio dito sa content just because nagpapatugtog si KM48 ng music sa loob ng shop. So, ma-demonetize tayo, no? So, we opted out to do the voiceover na lang. And actually, this is better kasi yan, masasabi rin natin lahat ng mga kailangan natin sabihin nang hindi impromptu. Yan. So mas okay siya para sa akin. And ito na nga yung time-lapse feature ni ZV-1 Mark II. Yan, napaka-solid. We used 8 frames per second, 24 FPS din. Ayan. So ganda-ganda siya. Pwede pa nating i-smoothen out and mas pataasin yung quality ng kanya time-lapse. However, it's also gonna consume a lot of or more battery and more space sa memory card. So ano na rin, no, very decent na rin yung 8 frames per second. Okay, and yan, pag-usapan naman natin si KM48 or KM48. Yan, we ordered some coffee. Yung kay Kit ay latte. Yung akin naman ay hindi ko matandaan yung name ng order ko kasi medyo mahirap siyang bigkasin. Hindi siya yung mga ordinary na pangalan ng mga coffee, and non-coffee yun sa akin. It's already evening and pag uminom pa ako ng kape baka late na naman ako makatulog, and of course pangit na naman yung gising natin. So I opted for the non-coffee, and umorder din kami ng choco chip. Napaka-solid din ng choco chip nila, and yun nga, napaka-cozy ng lugar. Sarap tumambay dyan if wala ka namang gagawin sa bahay. So, yun. I think I'm gonna give KM48 2 thumbs up. Okay, so well, I think that's about it for our video for today. Iiwan ko pa rin kayo ng mga additional footage yan ng mga ating in-order naman coffee, non-coffee, and choco chip na in-order natin. Okay, so from KM48, it's Brian and Reese of Kid and Dad Motovlog. Thank you so much for watching, and dun po sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please consider subscribing. Yan, i-hit nyo lang naman po yung subscribe button. It's gonna help our channel grow, and for us to be able to give you a whole lot of contents in the future. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Peace!